Welcome to today's lecture, which is part of our software engineering lecture series. In this session, we will explore into the software development lifecycle, commonly known as SDLC. I will be guiding you through the essential phases and concepts that make up this critical process in software development. Introduction. Software development life cycle, a structured framework for developing software that ensures software meets user needs, is delivered on time and stays within budget. The SDLC is a process used by software developers to design, develop, and test high-quality software. It involves a series of steps that guide the software development process from conception to development and maintenance. Phases of SDLC. The SDLC is divided into six main phases: requirement analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Phase 1, requirement analysis. Purpose is understanding and documenting what the software needs to do. Activities are gathering requirement from stakeholders through interviews, surveys, and workshops. Creating requirement specification that detail functional and non-functional requirements. Conducting a feasibility analysis to assess the technical and financial viability of the project. Importance are ensure that the software meets user needs. Inaccurate or incomplete requirement can lead to costly changes later. For example, for an e-commerce website, stakeholder likes the business owner and customers provide input on features such as product listing, shopping carts, and payment processing. These requirements are documented to ensure everyone is aligned on the software's goal. Phase 2, design. Purpose is creating a blueprint for the software, including system architectures and detailed component design. Activities are defining the system is overall architecture, including how components interact. Detailing the design of each component such as databases, user interfaces, and backend logic. Importance is a well thought out design serves as a guide for developers and helps prevent issues during coding. In the e-commerce website, the design phases include structuring the site's architecture with modules for the user interface, product catalog, shopping cart, and payment gateway. Detailed designs outline the user interface's appearance, data, database structure, and their interaction between components. Phase 3, implementation, also called coding. Purpose is translating the design into actual code. Activities are writing code is the chosen programming language according to the design specification, ensuring adherence to coding standards and best practices. Importance is the quality of the code directly impacts the software's functionality, performance, and maintainability. For example, developers begin coding the e-commerce website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end, and Python or Java for the back end. They implement features like product listing, search functionality, user authentication, and payment processing, ensuring the code is reliable and maintainable. Phase 4, testing. Purpose is verifying that the software works as intended and it's free of defects. Activities are unit testing, testing individual component or units of the software. Integration testing, ensuring that different components work together seamlessly. System testing, testing the complete system to ensure it meets the requirement. User acceptance testing, UAT, validating the software with actual users to ensure it meets user needs. Importance is testing ensure the software is reliable, secure, and meet the specified requirement, reducing the risk of post-deployment issues. Example is testing the e-commerce website might include unit testing the payment processing module, integration testing to verify that the shopping cart and payment gateway work together, and the user acceptance testing to confirm the entire shopping experience meet customers' expectation. Phase 5 deployment purpose is releasing the software to users. Activities are planning the deployment process, including selecting the appropriate time and environment for release, providing training and software for users to ensure they can effectively use the software. Importance is a successful deployment makes the software available to user with minimal disruption and ensure that it is fully functional in a real world environment. Example is developing the e-commerce website might involve setting up the site on a live server, configuring the domain name, and making it accessible to users. Training material and customer support channels are also provided to help users navigate the new systems. Phase 6 maintenance purpose is updating the software to fix issues, improve performance, or adapt to changes. Activities are fix bugs that are identified user deployment, improving performance by optimizing the software, updating the software to adapt to new technology for user requirements. Importance is maintenance, ensure that the software remain functional, efficient, and up to date data over time. For example, for the e-commerce website, maintenance might involve fixing bugs reported by users, optimizing the site for faster load times, or adding new feature like a wish list or loyalty program based on user feedback. Maintenance could also include updating the site to comply with the new security standards or integrating new payment gateways. Modern adoption of SDLC evaluation is the traditional SDLC has evolved with the modern technology like Agile, DevOps, and others. Comparison is traditional SDLC provides a structured approach, while Agile offers flexibility with iterative development. DevOps focuses on continuous integration and delivery, ensuring faster and more reliable software deployment. For example, in an agile approach, an e-commerce website might be developed in iterative sprints, allowing for regular updates and continuous user feedback. Challenges are common challenges in SDLC include incomplete requirement, ad hoc testing, and poor project management. Each phase of SDLC is critical. Skipping or underestimating any phase can lead to project failure. For example, ad-hoc testing could lead to software that crashes frequently, or poorly defined requirement could result in a product that does not meet user needs. Solutions are effective project management, thorough documentation, and stakeholder engagements are key to avoiding these pitfalls. Key takeaways following the SDLC process diligently contributed to the project's success, emphasizing the importance of each phase in delivering high quality software. Each SDLC phase is essential to success of a software product. Following a structured approach ensures that the software is reliable, meet user needs, and is delivered on time and within budget. While modern technology methodology offer flexibility, the fundamental principle of SDLC remain relevant and valuable. Apply SDLC principle in your project to ensure successful software delivery. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. See you in the next video. Thank you.